another indoor series.
Another episode. We've kindly been allowed by Elegant Cars to film a couple more of their cars. So stay tuned stay tuned now.
Yeah, stay tuned below.
Stay tuned below for our review of the SLS FAB Design, and stay tuned to the channel for the regular SLS review.
Which is this one. So, yeah. Can you explain to us what we have over here today?
Okay, so we have a Mercedes SLS Roadster, but not any AMG SLS Roadster. This is the FAB Jetstream Roadster.
Is FAB short for fabulous?
Oh, how did you know? Honestly,
I mean, it looks fabulous.
I have actually no idea, but this car is more than just a body kit. Now this, as you can probably see, is so much wider, so much more aggressive than the regular Roadster.
I mean, I can't get you even in one shot with the car. It's...
Forget me, get the car. Nobody's here for me.
So what engine does it have?
This has a 6.2 litre V8. Now it's marketed as a 6.3, but whatever. Now, where the regular SLS has 560 brake horsepower, this SLS has been tuned by FAB and had some little twerks and bits done in here and there.
Fabulous.
Fabulous bits done. This car produces 606 brake horsepower.
Which takes it 0 to 100?
In 0 to 100 in less than 3.7 seconds, I believe. And as FAB quote, it flies past 200 kilometers an hour in less than 11 seconds. Now this thing doesn't just have a lot of brake horsepower, this thing's got a massive amount of torque. This has got 690 Newton meters of torque, which is far beyond what the SLS has.
I mean, and that, sorry I'm interrupting you, but that bonnet is long.
It is a long, long bonnet. Now, SLS, if those who are curious, stands for Super Licht Sports, or Super Light Sports. Now, in fact, this thing is so light, it's 1,700 kilos, or 3,657 pounds, give or take.
But for a car from that age, it is a light car.
No, it is a light car, but it is obviously still quite a hefty car. I mean, it's no Caterham, but this thing is a Grand Tourer. It doesn't need to be light. This model wasn't built for the tracks, it was built for California with this wonderful folding roof. Now, by going around it, you can see they've got unique front and back wheels. They are unique FAB design wheels that are only found on the SLS Roadster and SLS. By looking around, you can see this magnificent wide body with actual aero that does cool things, apart from this one here, which is just empty. Now this car is finished in, what would you say, a satin finish?
Satin?
It's a satin magno.
It's not a matte. It's I think.
Yes, this is because the AMG GTR, which will also be on this channel.
Yes.
You know. Is a matte. This, I would say, is definitely a satin because it's finished in the sun. Now, this car was available in a variety of colours, but this thing does definitely stand out. It's such a beautiful metal-y colour, not metallic, but it's certainly very metal-y. Now this piece is finished with a few carbon bits, diffuser, splitter, and wing mirrors, which are very, very good looking.
Fabulous.
Fabulous, they are.
Just like the name says?
Just like the name
Fabulous.
says. So, this thing does have a wing, which can be deployed at any speed. Not like the Porsche that goes up to let everybody know you're speeding. And it is certainly a very big wing.
It's manually adjusted wing.
Yes, not adjusted, it's
manually
goes up or goes down.
By a button, I mean. It's manual with a button.
Now this thing, the SLS FAB Design, has an immense exhaust system. The SLS always sounded good with that 6.2 litre. But this exhaust system, not only is it, you know, sounds amazing, but it's literally, I could get my fist in there. Now the engine of the car has just been on, and I did just burn my hand. But I'm so cool, nobody knows. So if we head on to the inside.
No fake exhaust, right?
No, that's real.
All four of them.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
So the SLS originally retailed for about £175,000, or around the same $190,000. The FAB Design model was retailed for £275,000, $290,000.
Which is in BD.
Just under 100,000 dinar.
No, 200 something.
$290,000, $3.37, about.
Anyway, forget the math and the
dinar.
exchange rate.
So do you know how much this is for sale? Good job, Ahmed. Anyway, heading on to the inside. The car is finished in beautiful red leather with black accents found around the place. Now, Fab Design haven't done anything to this interior, but with an interior like this, does it really need anything done to it? The buckets hold you in perfectly well, they're perfectly comfortable. The seating position, because this is a Spider or Roadster, sits a little taller, but even I fit in it. And I'm like all upper body.
And that's the most important part.
Yes.
That you fit in.
And I must say, I accidentally turned the AC on. It's absolutely wonderful. But this is the thing with the Mercedes, everything works in it.
So you have your standard buttons over here.
Yes, you do. So you get the sport settings, whether it's comfort, sport, sport plus, manual. Then you've got your engine start, you've got the spoiler button, and I can't see, I think, a traction control button.
You don't need traction in this car.
Well, you definitely do, because this thing is a monster. On the control of the armrest, that's where the button for the folding roof, thank you, Ahmed, is located. Now, this being a Mercedes, everything works and everything works well, and will work for a very, very long time. But with like any other supercar, it does have battery problems.
If you store it for a long period of time,
Any cars.
without trickle charger, so yeah, it's a normal.
Trickle charge. But overall, this car is certainly very
Can you
beautiful.
lower this, or you can't lower it? I'm talking about this.
What, the glass?
But I think it's a manually adjustable.
Well, it's
as
not-
you see the hinges over here.
Yeah, it comes out.
Yeah.
But this is PVC. It's not glass. It's the glass man. So I have to say a big thank you to Elegant Cars. They've kindly allowed us back into their showroom after we, had a couple of hiccups with the Urus. And they've allowed us to do a couple of reviews here. And probably after that they'll be sick of us. But if you're in the market for an elegant, an exotic
And a different
supercar,
car. It's a
classic
different
car, or something that's just a bit different.
Yeah, or fabulous.
They supply all over the Middle East and probably more, and they can source just about anything. So we do definitely recommend them. And
I mean,
there's nothing more.
There's nothing more to it. The car speaks for itself.
It certainly does.
And what a nice piece of machinery over here.
But instead of waffling on,
Yes.
thank you for tuning in. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Don't forget to
Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on
The
the
usual
notification
stuff.
bell. Until our next review.
which is coming very shortly.
Just Drive.